Hey guys, namaste, welcome to my YouTube account. Today I'll share how I made this leopard sculpture from repurposed cardboard. First, I drew a leopard sketch on a paper to finalize on proportions over a gorgeous piece of wood that I have as a base. Now here I'm making a wireframe for this sculpture, starting with hind legs, then the front legs and a spine. I kept a little wire end below the paws to secure this sculpture on a base. Here I have all three pieces of wireframe hooked to a temporary baseboard. Next, I wrapped a thin wire all around this frame to give paper mache something to grab on. I repurposed cardboard to make paper mache for this project. I had few Amazon packaging boxes, toilet roll tubes, and few cardboard cartons. So instead of using paper, I used all the cardboard to make paper mache. Here I have covered the body with some paper mache to my wireframe as a base and let it dry before I completed the sculpture. Starting from the hind legs, the prominent hip bone, thighs and calves, then the shoulders. And for this project I tried to give it as smooth finish as possible. Then I made front legs, and you can also see that I kind of reshaped the head. I had few pictures of leopard as a guide. And after this I made the belly part and the back. And finally completing this sculpture with tail, cute little paws, chest, neck, ears and face. And now for the fun part, that is painting this sculpture. For the base, I used a black acrylic paint. And as a final coat of paint, I used bright chrome spray paint. Oh yes, now one of the most satisfying part of this video, I have this gorgeous slice of wood that I got from my local wood shop. I saw this in pile of other wood pieces and almost jumped and grabbed it before anyone else could. I'm glad I did, you'll see why. To this I drilled 4 holes where my sculpture would sit. And now I'll apply a seal plus polish to it and show you guys why I'm so excited for this part. To apply polish, I'm using a clean cotton cloth. Are you ready for this part? And here we go. Wow. Now this is good. We need to look at this again from close. Now this is a beauty, I must say. Here it is why I was raving about this wood. I gave this beauty one more coat of this polish and we are done here. I hope you guys like this project. If you do like what you saw, consider liking this video because that's gonna help me share it with more viewers, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you for your time. I'll see you guys soon. Do take care. Love and light. Bye.